In my last video, I had told you about the Jupiter finger or the index finger. So now we are going to discuss about the next finger, which is the middle finger, called as the Saturn finger. So just looking at the depth or the thickness or the length of the Saturn finger, we can know a lot about the personality of a person. The second finger, or we would call it the middle finger, is also called as the Saturn finger. So this relates to a sense of responsibility and the kind of mind a person has. It also discusses things as interest in science, philosophy and religion. So now we are going to discuss about the length of the second finger. So if the length of the second finger is long, means if it is long, then the person has a talent of science and technical work. So let us first, and if it is short, it is more like a little sense of responsibility. Now Saturn qualities are basically towards responsibilities, your karmas and all that things. So basically if we have a long Saturn finger, then the qualities are enhanced, and if it is short, then we are not able to do what is required of us. So now we have to discuss the Saturn finger in relation to the Jupiter and the Apollo. If the Saturn finger or the middle finger is longer than the third finger, which generally it is, then there is a success in the subject of art, literature or money. Now if the third finger and the Saturn are equal, here we can see that there is a difference, but if the Apollo finger and the Saturn finger are of the equal length, then this person is too much into gambling, he loves gambling. Now if it is shorter than, which is very rare, if it is shorter than the third finger, in that case this person likes to take risks, and he is just like not very good in his business and more like insanity. Now we are going to talk about the three phalanges. So this is our first phalange, this is the second phalange, and this is the third phalange. Now if there is an excess in the first phalange, it is not normal. Here we can see this one is a normal phalange, but if it is in excess, then this person has religious insanity and could also towards more like a suicidal mania. Now if it is, now we will talk about the second phalange, that is this phalange, and this is basically related to the love of agriculture. So if it is in excess, then basically unnecessary caution is required, and this person thinks a lot while going into business. The third phalange is basically about economy. So if it is in excess, then it is again towards too much of insanity. Now let us, the next thing we have to discuss is about the fingertips. So we know there are four types of fingertips. It could be a square one, an artistic one, a pointed, or a spatulate one. So here we can see it is basically a conical one. So the hand of our the person out here shows a conical second finger. Now if it was a pointed one, that is sharp a little like this, in that case this person has a morbid fear of the supernatural. Now this one is a conical one, so it shows a healthy belief in religion. If it was a square one, it would be towards more like prudence, and if it is a spatulate one, more towards the activity, it is more like an activity hand. The person would do whatever he is thinking about. I hope you liked this video for the second finger or the Saturn. So please do subscribe, share our videos, and if you want us to improve them or do something new, we would really like to listen from you.